Bitcoin? Is this the beginning of a new bull run? Guys, in the last 48 hours, we have seen Bitcoin gone from as low as 18,500 to as high as 22,300, more than a 19% drop in price. Should we start buying Bitcoin right now, or will Bitcoin continue dumping to the downside? A lot of people have been calling for Bitcoin to drop to as low as 16, 14. Some people are even calling for $10,000 Bitcoin. Is that possible in this bear market? We're taking a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart. I'm looking at what Bitcoin has done in the previous bear market. We'll also be looking at Bitcoin's performance against Ethereum. Then we'll take a look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance went to as low as 38.5%, but right now Bitcoin dominance above 41%. We'll be talking about the implications that has for the general crypto market, and then we'll take a look at Bitcoin's market cap. It found support around the $335 billion. Is the bottom in? Should we be expecting Bitcoin's market cap to go to as high as $500 billion in the coming weeks? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money trading or investing in cryptocurrency long term, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, the point to record this video, we're having a very green week in the crypto market. All coins are actually pumping front, left, and center. Luna is up more than 159% in the last 1 month. Gleam is up more than 100%. Raven coin is up more than 76%. Bitcoin is up more than 13.2% in the last 1 week. Is the tide changing? We have seen a lot of altcoins outperform Bitcoin in the last 1 month, but right now it looks as if Bitcoin is taking back those dominance. The altcoin season index have been flashing all season, and anytime it's flashing all season, it means 75% of the top 50 coins have performed better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days. But guys, history has shown us that anytime altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin, that's not actually good for the crypto market. Right now, is the bottom in for Bitcoin? A lot of people are saying the bottom is not in. We're still expecting lower prices. Guys, this line here represents daily moving averages for Bitcoin. If you have been buying Bitcoin in the last 2 years, your average price would have been $37,000. If you have been buying Bitcoin for the last 3 years, your average price would have been $27,900. And guys, if you have been buying Bitcoin every day for the last 4 years, your average price would have been $22,500. I'll explain to you the significance of all this level. And guys, if you have been buying Bitcoin for the last 5 years, since 2017 September, your average buying price for Bitcoin would have been around $19,800. And if you want to go further, if you have been buying Bitcoin for the last 6 years, every day, your average price right now will be around 16,700. And history has shown us that Bitcoin always finds its bottom around the 200-week moving average. On the daily time frame, there's only once Bitcoin has come to touch this yellow line, and the yellow line represents the 4-year daily moving average for Bitcoin. If you have been buying Bitcoin every day for the last 4 years, represented by this yellow line, during the COVID sell-off, your average price would have been 4,300, and that's exactly where Bitcoin came to bottom. Price chart, this lines here represents the average price you would have gotten Bitcoin if you are dollar cost averaging in 2 years, in 3 years, in 4 years, in the last 5 years, in the last 6 years, and in the last 7 years. This would have been your average buying price for Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin currently is at the price where if you have been dollar cost averaging the last 4 years, your average price would have been $22,500. And Bitcoin looks as if it's bottoming out at this average price if you have been dollar cost averaging. Bitcoin looks as if it have been bottoming out in this yellow line. This yellow line represents dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin every day for the last 5 years. So if you have been buying Bitcoin every day for the last 5 years, your average price would have been 19,700. Bitcoin is going back to test this upper region. And guys, why I think the bottom is in for Bitcoin is that this is the second time in Bitcoin history Bitcoin is coming back to that moving average. So if you have been buying Bitcoin the last 5 years, in 2020, your average price would have been 4,200. This was the first time Bitcoin was coming back to that moving average. And in 2018 bear market, Bitcoin didn't get to that average. Bitcoin just got to as low as this purple line, and this purple line represented dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin every day for the last 4 years. Is the bottom in for Bitcoin? If we believe that Bitcoin is going to go to 16,000, maybe 14,000, it means Bitcoin will have to violate all this moving average. And guys, another important reason why Bitcoin might actually have found its bottom in the bear market is that Bitcoin dominance is going up, and this is a telltale sign for when Bitcoin is gaining value against other altcoins. Now, it doesn't mean Bitcoin is pumping harder than all other altcoins, because right now altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin, but it looks as if Bitcoin has woken up from its slumber and Bitcoin is pumping really hard, because in the last 24 hours Bitcoin has been making some huge move. A lot of people are expecting all season, myself included, when Bitcoin started breaking to the lowest we have seen since 2018, but Bitcoin looks as if it was just faking us out. It has actually started pumping. If you take a look at Bitcoin's performance against Ethereum, Bitcoin is gaining value against Ethereum. Anytime you see this chart going up, it means Ethereum is gaining value against Bitcoin, and anytime we are falling down, Bitcoin is gaining value against Ethereum. And Bitcoin was at a very crucial level against Ethereum. Guys, literally we have seen Ethereum out rally Bitcoin from the lows Ethereum set. Ethereum has outperformed Bitcoin by more than 68% in just 84 days, but Ethereum has hit a very critical resistance level. This level has been acting as resistance for Ethereum for over 5 years. Ethereum has only been able to pass this level once in the last 5 years. Ethereum went above that level in January 2018. This was when Ethereum was topping and all coins were going to the moon. In the 2021 bull run, Ethereum couldn't go above the 0.08 level against Bitcoin. And in 2022, we actually tapped that level. A lot of people are expecting Ethereum to continue pumping, but it looks as if Ethereum has stopped right here. And if Ethereum has stopped, it means Bitcoin is gaining value. If you take a look at some details about Bitcoin, currently trading for $22,327. In the last 1 month, it has gone as high as $25,135 and as low as $18,600. Bitcoin currently has a market cap of $427 billion and a fully diluted market cap of $468 billion. Guys, where can you get some Bitcoin if you want to buy Bitcoin through the bear market? Before we take a look at Bitcoin's market cap, you can buy Bitcoin on any exchange you get your favorite altcoins. We have over 3.4 million people that have Bitcoin on their watch list, and Bitcoin is ranked #1 on CoinMarketCap. You can get Bitcoin on Binance, on FTX, on Coinbase, on Qcoin, Hublot Global, Gate.io, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Now, if you take a look at Bitcoin's market cap topped around $1.25 trillion. The Fibonacci retracement tool actually predicted the top for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has been dumping since we topped in November 2021. And guys, Bitcoin has dumped to as low as over $338 billion, more than a 72% decrease in the price of Bitcoin and the valuation of Bitcoin in the last 236 days. But the $1 million question, is the bottom in? Because guys, Bitcoin found cool support around this $337 billion level. A lot of arguments can be made that Bitcoin might come back to test that level. If Bitcoin is coming back to test that level, we might see another 20% dump in Bitcoin. But as Bitcoin is pumping violently right now, we might see Bitcoin come to test this $500 billion level. It means we might see increase in the price of Bitcoin by more than 17 or 18%. Only time will tell right now. The macro conditions are not favorable for Bitcoin to pump. A lot of people are calling for lower prices. That's why I believe personally, maybe just maybe the bottom of Bitcoin is in. A lot of indicators we have been looking at through the bear market, they actually told us the top of the market was in May 2021. They are actually flashing that the bottom of the Bitcoin bear market cycle is in. So guys, I want you to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think Bitcoin is going to violate all these moving averages? Guys, if you have been dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin in the last 2 years, again, your average price would have been 37,000. If you were dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin in the last 3 years, your average price would have been 27,900. But if you have been dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin in the last 4 years, your average price would have been 22,500. And if you have been dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin in the last 5 years, your average price would be 19,500. That's around the all-time high we set in 2017. I believe that probably just maybe that might be the bottom of this bear market, and that would be very poetic that Bitcoin came back to test its previous all-time high before we start pumping to new highs. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be buying more Bitcoin right now? Will you be buying more altcoins right now? Or will you just be hodling the Bitcoins you have right now through the bear market, waiting for Bitcoin to get to $100,000? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7